I have an issue that I want to share with the world. People that are in comas, and there's a lot of people that get in comas from drug overdoses. And I have compassion for them, and I have a special compassion for them because I have two friends that passed away from drug overdoses, and I really have a heart for them. And one thing I want to get out, the word I want to get out is don't unplug them so quickly. A lot of times when they overdose, they recommend unplugging them within the same day, and I say absolutely not. Let them wake up.